Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to install these new fog light assemblies in this 2006 BMW 325 Ci. If you need this part or other parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Next I'm going to grab this inner fender well. I'm just going to pull this out over here. This one's cracked a little bit. Just try to guide this out. Pull it to the side. Alright, from underneath is this little clip that's holding this on. So you could take a screwdriver or just use your fingers. Slide this over, slide this out. There is a connector right here that goes for your ambient air temp sensor. I'm just going to push on the lock on the connector. Pull the connector off, put this aside. Next I'm going to disconnect the fog light bulb. Just push down on this lock and connector and slide the connector out. Next we're going to take these two Torx screws out. They're a T25, so I'll use a T25 socket and a ratchet. Out. Once I pull those out, I'm able to slide the fog light right out. Here's our old fog light. Here's our new fog light assembly from 1aauto.com. As you can see, the shape is the same. The mounting brackets are the same. The adjuster is on the same side. On the back, where the bulb goes, it's got the same indexing for the bulb. You will have to swap the bulb over to the new one. Just take it out, slide it over. Push it on and then turn it to the right. Get yours from 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll. We'll take the fog light assembly, make sure this little tab goes in this little slot over here. Slot that in. And then over here, I'll take my screws, get those started. Install that screw there. We'll install the one above it. Get those started. You can take the T25 Torx bit. I'll just tighten these up a little bit. Not too tight, it is in plastic, so just snug. Next we can take the plug, connect the plug into the light bulb. Next we're going to plug the ambient air temp sensor in. Line that up, lock it in place. Then we can slide this inner fender well up. We want this to go underneath the fender well from up top. So it's going to take a little maneuvering. Get that in position. And then we'll slide over here. Slide this through the slot right here. Lock it in place right there. Then we can install the fasteners. Take our 8mm screws or bolts. Get these started. I'll just snug them up. Just use my ratchet. Tighten them up a little bit. Just snug. We'll install these two fasteners right here. 8mm screws. Snug that one up, and then this one, whoops. Okay. Snug this one up here. Just use a ratchet. Snug that up. And snug that one up. After you install the new headlight assemblies, you're going to want to adjust them. You want to make sure you get a 6mm Allen. You can adjust them through this hole. You want to go up to a wall about 25 feet away and make sure that the fog light is not aiming up. It's aiming to the same level it is or down. So you can use a tape measure and measure from this point to the ground, and then same 25 feet away.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.